Ever felt like the odd one out at a BBQ party because the sight of meat makes you cringe? In a culture where meat often takes center stage, being a finicky eater can feel like swimming against the tide. The sizzling steaks, the juicy burgers, the tantalizing ribs, they're everywhere from family dinners to dining out with friends. And while everyone else seems to be enjoying their carnivorous delights, you're left scanning the menu for something that won't make your stomach churn. These social occasions can feel like a minefield. You've probably found yourself at a party, plate awkwardly empty, while your friends tuck into their meat-laden meals. Maybe you've felt the sting of judgmental glances when you opt for a salad at a steakhouse. It can be isolating, it can be frustrating, but you're not alone in this struggle. But it's not just social dilemmas that finicky eaters face. There's also the challenge of maintaining a balanced diet. Without careful planning, you might find yourself falling into a rut of repetitive and potentially unhealthy meals. This can lead to weight gain, and for those of us who are conscious about our weight, this is a concern that can't be ignored. It might seem like an uphill battle, but don't despair. There are ways to navigate this meaty maze while keeping your weight in check. So, if you've ever felt out of place in a world of meat lovers, stick around. This is a journey you don't have to take alone. The first step to take control of your diet is understanding your food preferences. Now this might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many folks overlook this crucial step when embarking on a weight reduction journey. So let's take a moment to truly understand our palate. What are the foods that make your taste buds dance with joy? And no, we're not talking about that double cheeseburger or the pepperoni pizza. We're focusing on non-meat foods here. Is it the creamy avocado, the crunchy carrots, or perhaps the sweet tanginess of a ripe tomato? Go ahead and make a list of your favorite non-meat foods. Now once you have this list, it's time to play detective. Research the nutritional value of these foods. You might be surprised to find that many of your favorites are packed with essential nutrients. But don't stop there. While it's important to enjoy what you eat, it's equally crucial to ensure that you're getting a balanced diet. This means incorporating foods from different groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy, and yes, even fats. The key is to maintain variety. So, as you embark on this journey of understanding your food preferences, remember to keep an open mind, explore new foods, and, most importantly, enjoy the process. After all, eating should be a pleasure, not a chore. Remember, a colorful plate is a healthy plate. Now that you know your food preferences, it's time to plan your meals. Meal planning is like having your own personal nutritionist. By planning ahead, you can control your calorie intake and ensure a balanced diet that includes all the essential nutrients your body needs. But how can we do this? First, think about your favorite foods. Just because you're planning meals doesn't mean you can't enjoy the foods you love. The key is to incorporate them into your meals in a healthy way. For instance, if you love pasta, why not try whole grain pasta topped with a rainbow of vegetables? Or if you're a fan of chocolate, opt for dark chocolate, which is rich in antioxidants. Next, let's talk about portion control. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. A handy tip for portion control is to use your hands as a guide. For instance, a serving of meat should be the size of your palm, while a serving of grains should fit in your cupped hand. And don't forget to plan for snacks. Healthy snacks can help curb your hunger and prevent overeating during meals. Think nuts, seeds, fruits, and yogurt. In all this, remember to keep variety in your meals. A varied diet not only keeps things interesting but also ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. And remember, planning is half the battle. Exercise is just as important as diet when it comes to weight reduction. It's a statement we've all heard, but let's delve into why that is. Physical activity plays an integral role in burning off those pesky calories that stick around after we've indulged in our favorite foods. It's like having a personal army that helps you fight off unwanted weight gain. But that's not all. Exercise also gives your metabolism a much-needed boost. Think of your metabolism as a furnace that burns calories. The more active you are, the hotter the furnace burns and the more calories you melt away. It's simple math, really. More activity equals more calories burned. Now I know what you're thinking. Exercise can be hard, it can be challenging, and let's be honest, sometimes it can be a bit boring. But it doesn't have to be. The key to sticking to an exercise routine is finding an activity that you enjoy. Do you love music? Try dancing? Are you an outdoor enthusiast? Biking or walking could be your thing. Remember, it's not about what you do, but how consistently you do it. Before you dust off your running shoes or pump up the tires on your bike, it's important to have a chat with your healthcare provider. They can help you determine what type and amount of exercise is safe and beneficial for you. So there you have it. Incorporating physical activity into your routine is a crucial step in weight reduction. Stay active, stay healthy. So, let's quickly go over what we've learned today. The journey to embracing weight reduction as a finicky eater in a meat-driven culture starts with understanding your food preferences. It's about knowing what fuels your body and satisfies your taste buds. It's about embracing your unique palate and using it to guide your food choices. The next step is planning your meals. With a well-thought-out meal plan, you can ensure that you're getting the nutrients you need, avoiding foods you dislike, and still enjoying your meals. It's all about balance, creativity, and a pinch of culinary adventure. Lastly, we discussed the importance of incorporating physical activity into your routine. Exercise not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but it also boosts your mood and improves overall health. Remember, being a finicky eater doesn't mean you can't maintain a healthy weight or enjoy food. So embrace your unique taste buds and remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making better choices. Happy eating!